Ever wondered how to start a research project in life sciences? Well, welcome aboard, fellow explorer. Your first step on this fascinating journey is to formulate a clear research question. Imagine it as your compass, guiding your exploration into the unknown. Now you might be wondering, how do I formulate a research question? Well, it's all about being smart. That's specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. For instance, instead of wondering, how does climate change affect plants? A smarter question might be, what is the impact of increased carbon dioxide levels on the growth rate of tomato plants over a 6-month period? See the difference? Now, this doesn't come out of thin air. It's built upon a solid foundation of preliminary literature review. This review gives you a sense of what's already been discovered and where your question fits into the bigger picture. Remember, a well-defined research question is the cornerstone of any successful research project. Once you have your research question, what comes next? Well, it's time to craft a detailed research plan. Think of it as your roadmap, leading you towards your research destination. It organizes your thoughts, identifies the resources you'll need, and sets a timeline for your project. Firstly, you'll need to set your objectives. What are you aiming to discover or prove? These goals will be your guiding stars throughout your research journey. Next, consider your methodology. How will you reach your objectives? This includes the techniques and methods you'll use to gather and analyze your data. Then, identify the resources you'll need. This could be anything from laboratory equipment to academic journals. Finally, set a timeline. When do you expect to complete each part of your project? Having a clear schedule can help keep your project on track and prevent things from spiraling out of control. A well-laid plan not only guides your research but also keeps you on track. Research is rarely a solo journey, so who do you need on your team? Well, a successful research undertaking in the life sciences requires a mix of expertise, creativity, and tenacity. In this mix, your mentor, peers, and collaborators play pivotal roles. The mentor, often an experienced researcher, guides you through the complexities of your project. They provide valuable insights, feedback, and direction. Then we have peers, your fellow students or researchers. They are your sounding board, your brainstorming buddies, and sometimes, your sanity check. Peers offer fresh perspectives and a shared sense of camaraderie. Collaborators, on the other hand, bring specialized knowledge or resources to your project. They might be experts in a particular field, or they might provide access to unique research tools or methodologies. In this dynamic team, communication and collaboration are key. Everyone's input is essential to drive the project forward and overcome challenges. Remember, the right team can make your research journey smoother and more productive. Now that you have your question, plan, and team, how do you get started with the actual research? Well, the first stage is data collection. This involves gathering all the necessary information to answer your research question. It might be through surveys, experiments, or even literature reviews. Just remember, the quality of your results is directly tied to the quality of your data. Next comes data analysis. This is where you'll process and examine the collected data in order to extract meaningful insights. This might involve statistical analysis or qualitative coding, depending on your research design. After analysis, it's time for interpretation. Here, you'll connect the dots, linking your findings back to your original research question. What do your results mean in the broader context of your field? Throughout this process, it's crucial to maintain research ethics. Be honest, transparent, and respectful of your sources and subjects. Conducting research is a meticulous process, but with the right preparation, you can navigate it successfully. Let's quickly recap what we discussed today. We delved into the process of crafting a smart research question, the cornerstone of any successful research project. We also discussed the importance of developing a detailed plan, ensuring your research is both purposeful and feasible. We touched on the crucial step of assembling a dedicated research team and emphasized the importance of conducting your research ethically and meticulously. Embarking on a research project in life sciences is an exciting journey. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting your own research project. Happy researching!